What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's episode, we're going to be installing some hood lift shocks on my first gen Honda CRV. I picked these up off of Amazon, pretty cheap. Today we're just gonna get them installed. So let's get to the video. All right, so again, I picked these up off of Amazon. It came with 2 shocks, all the mounting hardware, little brackets, and instructions. These are specific to this first gen CRV, and you can even see the instructions demonstrate a first gen CRV. So that's pretty sweet. It's not just some generic instructions, and they actually utilize the vehicle that we're working with here. So let's get to it. All right, so it looks pretty self-explanatory. We've got a bracket. This one will be for the driver's side or the left side. And then this one will be for the passenger side or the right side. We have 2 of these. These are for the fenders. And then we have new bolts that came with to attach these. They're a little bit longer than the factory ones, so it accommodates the bracket thickness along with the original hood hinge, and then still has plenty of meat to mount into the vehicle. It has the shock ends here. We'll have to screw those on. So it looks like, it looks like the metal end, the all metal end will be the end that goes towards this piece. And then the one that's more like composite, that will attach to these on the fender. And you can see there, so it's gonna mount this end towards the fender, this end towards hood hinge. So we'll go ahead and get all these screwed onto these where they go, and then we'll go get these here installed into the CRV. So we'll take out this bolt here on each side. So that one and that one. And then we'll put in these. I know those are 10 millimeter. These are actually a 12 millimeter. So just make sure you put that flat washer on there, and then we'll screw them right into those holes. These are 12. And we'll snug that down with a ratchet on each side. So now we have the brackets mounted up here. We use the new hardware that came with it. Those are, again, 10 millimeter. And those are old ones there. So we got that in there, that one up there, and the same thing over here. Usually you can tell on the hood where the latch was, because it'd be like unpainted. So just make sure you line that back up whenever you're tightening down these bolts. And I did push this bracket over as far as I could towards the center of the truck. All right, so then with our shock, just have to push it on there. Okay, and then we'll spin this. All right, may have to lift up on the hood, because see there where they don't still on the original prop. Yeah, it's fine. I was trying to see if the decal was dependent upon which side it was on, but it's apparently not. So a little bit of force to spin it on there. Okay. So now with those both installed up there, I'll take this off right here. I'll lift the hood up until I can get it to where that'll go on. And look, one attached. It's already holding it. We're gonna go ahead and get this other one on too. So we'll just push the hood up a little bit and attach it there. And it actually opens it up quite wider than the factory rod. So now with that, I'll take this factory rod out. There we go. All right, so there we go. Looks very nice. I like that. just like factory. Heck yeah. Oh, and I also had, mine was broken, my little hood release here, so I got this off of Amazon too. I'll put a link for this, as well as the hood shocks, in the description. So make sure you check that out if you want some of these. Boom. Really nice. I love hood shocks as long as they're actually functioning properly. It's terrible when they don't function properly. But yeah, super nice. I like these things so much that I actually got a set for the Yeeter too. Got it in here, got the motor transmission out of it, doing another differential in the transmission, and replacing the rack and pinion and some other stuff. But yep. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button, leave me a comment below, and let me know what you think about them. I really like the hood shocks. Like I said, I went ahead and got another set for the Yeeter. Got those on there yesterday. And I mean, overall, I just really like the aesthetic of them. The ease of use, ease of installation was awesome. It's really like 5-minute job tops. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel and checking out this video. Again, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you feel like it, and we'll see you on the next one.